Okay, everyone, it is time for the cake!
Yay! I cannot wait!
Happy birthday, sweetheart! You waited all day for this!
Wait for me. I want to see the cake. Lily, what did you do? Look at the cake!
Mom, I am sorry. I did not mean to. Go to your room, Lily, right now!
But Mom, I said I am sorry.
Now, Lily, we will talk later.
My birthday cake fell.
Oh no, Nora. It is okay. Do not cry.
It is just a cake. We can fix this.
Mom, I am home.
Hey, baby. How was your day? Come sit with me.
Okay, Mom. I am coming. It was so good. My teacher loved my project.
That is amazing. I am so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I worked really hard on it. Mom, I am home.
Okay, go change your clothes.
Mom, is she upset with me too? Because of the cake? Mom, I worked hard on this project.
I know, honey. You always make me proud. You little genius.
Maybe something special will happen today. I hope Mom remembers. Wait, there is nothing here. No decorations. No cake. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Eat your breakfast. You will be late.
Okay, Mom. Maybe I hope too much. Mom forgot my birthday. I will wait. Maybe something will happen later. Maybe something is ready now.
It still looks the same. No decorations. No cake.
They are watching TV like any other evening. Mom, it is my birthday today.
Oh, right. Happy birthday, honey. Nothing changed again. They do not even notice me.
Look, Mom. This is so much fun.
Yes, dear. This show is always good.
Mom forgot my birthday. Maybe I should go alone. Why does it feel like nobody cares? Happy birthday to me.
Lily, are you okay in there? Talk to me. What is wrong, baby girl?
Dad, nobody remembered my birthday. Nobody cared.
I am so sorry, sweetheart.
Ever since Nora's birthday, Mom changed. She does not hug me anymore. She barely talks to me. She does not even look at me. I am here now.
I promise you did nothing wrong.
Today is Lily's birthday.
I know. I already told her happy birthday.
She is alone in the dark, crying. Do you remember Nora's birthday? The cake fell.
Yes. Lily dropped it, and I got upset.
Are you still holding that against her?
I did not realize that. I did not know I was doing this.
She just wants her mom back.
What kind of mom am I?
Come on, let us surprise Lily.
Yes. Let us make her happy. I have to fix this tonight.
This is for Lily. She deserves it.
We will make her smile again.
Yes, we will.
This time, it is all for her. Ready? Ready.
Let us do this.
Happy birthday, Lily! What? What is this?
I am so sorry, Lily. That accident was never your fault.
Come on, make a wish, princess.
I just missed you, Mom.
Happy birthday, my baby. We love you so much, Lily.
This is for you, Lily. Thank you, everyone.
Go on, Lily. Make a wish.
This is your moment.
I wished for us to be happy together.
Okay, now cut the cake.
Did you like this story? Tell us in the comments.
Please subscribe for more warm family stories.